Endocrine system is without ducts. The secretions are called hormones. Hormones are directly released into the bloodstream. The glands which are called as endocrine glands are hypothalamus located in the brain. Okay. Then pituitary gland, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Then we have pineal gland inside the cranial cavity. In the neck region, anterior side, we have a gland called thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. The four nodular structures are called which are present above the thyroid gland is called parathyroid glands. Next, thymus gland. The lymphatic system we discussed thymus gland, which is located in the sternum. Then we have pancreas, okay, which are located towards the stomach, left side of the body. Then we have adrenal gland above the kidneys. Then for the females, there are ovaries, and then for the males, testicles are the reproductive endocrine glands.